Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Okay, well, I gotta cut a tree that fell. Not a big tree. Over the last 2 or 3 weeks, we've had, here in Carolina, we've had just like solid rain. And we've just now gotten a break. The last 2 or 3 days, we haven't had any rain, but basically the prior 2 weeks, nothing but rain every day. And one of my trees just fell. It's a Leland cypress that's sitting out there. I gotta go get it and cut it up and haul it off. So I have pulled out my trusty Poulan Pro 46cc 20-inch chainsaw. I like this chainsaw a lot. I bought it about a year ago. It's basically a little beast. It cuts everything. But today, I haven't even turned it on in about 2 months. So my chain's a little bit loose. I gotta try to tighten that a little bit, and we're gonna find out together on this video blog that this thing will crank up. And you know, there's nothing more aggravating than power equipment that doesn't work, but let's hope. Let's hope this baby's gonna fire up. I'll walk over there and I'll cut my tree and I'll get my work done. So now, let's flip the switch to on. Pull the choke. Baby, let's keep our fingers crossed. Let's see what happens. When it fires, push the choke halfway back in. Let's try it again. I was just kidding, I wasn't really talking. I'd like to take this time to wish world peace for everybody. Thanks. That's what it looks like when your chain slips off the tracks and comes off. So, I guess I'll go back over there and put it back on and get back to work. I'll see you in a minute. God, that sucks. Okay, I'm done. It's always an adventure. Here at the pond, I didn't know if I was going to get this tree cut or not, but luckily I did. Tomorrow, I'll take it to the landfill, and if you've watched any of my videos, you know how much I love the landfill. I made it through. I didn't get hurt so far yet. Wherever you're at, I hope you're having a great day. God bless the USA. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about.